Hey fans, what up? Back with Ryan.
So we got the pistons out.
And this annoying thing.
Go ahead and pull that off.
Oh. Yeah.
Lay it right down there on the cardboard. You gonna pull the timing chain off for me?
This?
Yep. You gotta kind of pull it off.
I don't know how
You can do it.
I've never pulled a chain off though. What did you just do?
You gotta use your muscles, dude.
Ow.
So if that didn't work, what do you think we gotta do? Nope.
What is it?
We'll figure it out. So we had to kind of do how they do on the car shows we watch on TV. They cut to commercial break, and then go ahead and pull the timing chain off, bud. We're supposed to make it look really easy here.
Yeah.
Don't push it back on.
You want this?
The whole thing's got to come off. Now lay that right down there on the cardboard next to the...
Look at those spikes.
Yeah.
Imagine if you got hit by one of those.
Now be careful. All right. Now put that together with down here with that.
Alright.
Then we'll pull this guy off.
And we use this bandit bar?
No, we don't use that. We'll pull that off, and the cam will come out. Line her up. No, line it up straight. All right, see if you can get it with your fingers.
Hold on. One more frame.
All right, see if you can get it with your fingers, bud. And then put that where the other one was at.
Do this with my eyes closed.
All right, go ahead and take that cover off. Lay it right there where the other stuff is. Go ahead and set your tools down. Now you think you'll be able to get that cam out by yourself? You kind of have to wiggle it a little bit.
Oh.
And you can get it?
No.
We've got to cut to another commercial break?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got her loose. You pull out, you got to, no, you got to use both hands, bud, because you can knock the cam bearings out. Okay, you got to kind of turn it. Come on. No.
This?
Slowly. And then pull out as you're turning slow. Do it. Just be easy with it. Be patient.
How do I wait for the cat?
You can do it, buddy. You're fine.
I don't know.
Just pull towards you with it as you're kind of turning it. Yeah, use some muscles.
Oh, yeah.
So we got the cam out. Took a little persuading, but we got it out.
Can I take a peek in there?
Yep. And then we'll get the crank out. Most people would have took the crank out first, and it would have been easier to get the cam out, but we're not most people.